our giveaways for Fit for Mom leading up to Mother's Day on Sunday. Yep, Jude's gonna help me. Okay, come here. And our giveaway today for our grand prize is Monson Family Dentistry has donated a custom cleaning tray for your teeth, so you get teeth whitening and bleach. It's about a $400 value, so we're really thankful for them for that. And also a Mom Life tank top from Fit for Mom. So 2 really fun prizes today. Jude, do you want to pick? And we have 1 big winner for a grand prize. Jude, want me to do it? Can you do it? He knows his job. Okay, pick one. That one? Okay, who is it? Ashley! Congratulations, Ashley. We're so excited that you get to win our prize today. And we will see you in class this week. Thanks.